Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take photos of my child with our Christmas tree. We've actually built our Christmas tree just a few days ago, so I think it'll be a good idea since it has these really nice lights that I like. So right now I'm just gonna have to wait for him since it's at school, and right now it's 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. I'm just gonna wait for him, and it gets dark now around 4 o'clock, so it's a perfect time when it's very dark. So let's select a camera that we can use for this shoot. We actually have 3 Sony cameras. We have A7 II, A7 III, A7R2. A7R2 is my husband's camera. This is mine, A7 III, and this is our old camera. Look at it, like very old, but it's still usable. I think my husband converted this to something. I don't remember what he did to that, but yeah, still working. So I'm gonna use this one. It has the 85mm attached. Maybe I'm gonna use that, I don't know, and probably 35mm. We have a lot of lenses, but we still have to, we still have to organize because we don't have enough cupboards in this house. We've just moved here like 3 months ago, so we have a lot of boxes here for lenses. You see, we have other boxes in the other room, and yeah, we'll choose this one. I'll take this out, and I'll take this out. Should be ready. Kani akong background, ako din nagbuhat ana day akong painting. Oh. Hindi ko ako mabuhat, mao na akong ginabuhat, sige drawing. Na maili ko mag-drawing sa una pa. Tong bata pa ko, tapos pag abot ako high school, nag-appel ko anong kuan kanang tawagan na, oy, kalimot manong ko kanang art section ba, kanang special program for the arts dayto man, nagatudlo sila sa mga paano mag-paint na namo na antod karon nadala gyapon nako. Tara, dagan pa ni siya, pero ang uban man good kay kuan kanang batik man good. Mura ni ako naginahan ron. Ano ni sila? Okay, kalanggorn. May panudlay. Sumuka ni Bukay. Sao na lang. So, sundo na ako kung anak ron. I'm going to pick up my child, and then I'm gonna shoot when he's home. So let's take some photographs and get the stuff we need. He just had a shower. And look at his face. Oh, you fell down. It's cool.
Yeah. I'm okay now. I don't have a book anymore.
It's okay now.
It's wet.
Good job. For effects, let's switch off the lights. It looks so cute. So you just have to cover yourself with this blanket and pretend it's cold. You have to be like cozy and nice. So we start. What all you have to do is just stand and look at the Christmas tree. You don't need to reach it so much. Just try and touch the bubble. You did? Oh. Ribbons. How many ribbons do you need? Yeah.
1, 2.
Yeah? That's all. You don't need to look so much at it. Just go closer. It's okay. You're not gonna fall. Just look this one. You can see this one? Okay. Stand up, stand up, stand up. You think you can look at that closely? So we did the photos already. Good job, dear. Opa. Good job. It was too hot, wasn't it? Yeah. That's enough. But you did a good job, didn't you? That's everything. It's so beautiful. Good morning. So this is the day after I shot that Christmas tree photos. I'm gonna show you the way I edit that one. Well, not fully because I'm using the macros that I made for myself. Macros, or it's called actions on Photoshop. So I'm just using that one to make everything easy and quick for me because I'm lazy, you know. I've just taken my child to school, so I'm home alone right now. It's actually the perfect time to edit when I'm alone because no one is going to annoy me. So let's find it first. I will just show you one sample photo that I'm going to edit, okay, using the macros that I made for myself to make everything easy for me. I'm just gonna show that to you. Wait, start recording. So here's the photo that I've taken last night. One of them. And I'm just gonna use a macro. To make a picture looks like a painting, you have to make sure that it looks flat. Because with flat images, you can see more details. Obviously, this is way too flat, so you can just brush that off his face. Oh. Just, remove it. Something like that. Oh, it's his face. Just a little bit. There we go. And I have another macro that gives me warm tone. Just like that. And then after that, you just have to brighten his face or whichever you want to brighten, really. So I'm just gonna do it pretty quick. So it's like that. You just brighten this area right here. There we go. It's lagging again because I'm recording. Maybe brighten the Christmas tree and the lights at the back like that. Quick. See? And the rest would be dodge and burn for the details. If you find your images too yellow, you can just go to hue and saturation and then, just adjust it using that. But I only want to fix his skin, so I'm just going to apply this on his skin, obviously, and do everything perfect now. There we go. And if you want more details to pop out, you do a new layer. You color it with 50% gray, like that, and then overlay the mode, and you use that to do dodge and burn. Like dodge and burn the face, like that. Here, maybe here, his hand, this side, maybe this one. This lights here, maybe this one here. Oh, it's too much. If it's too much, you just brush it off with 50% gray. Like that. Fix it like that. And just go back and fix this. And then you can burn shadowy areas. And then this one. So yeah, like that. If you get it. Pretty easy. If you find your images too noisy, there's an application to help with it. It's called Topaz Lab Denoise, and it helps with the pictures. Like sample. Topaz Lab remove the noise. So this one is pretty noisy. You can see. Well, A73 does a very good job with this, but we still don't want the noise. See? If you have A73, it's very good with noise. Once you edit this and use the Topaz Lab, then you get this image. There's noise. See? You can readjust it to your taste, so if you want more details on the skin, you can remove that. But I like it this way. I have recently changed my pad for editing. So before I was using a bamboo Wacom, but now I'm using this one. This with pen, and the pad is pretty big. There's a lot of space for you to work on. And it has all these buttons that you can customize for yourself, so it can be Ctrl-Z, you know, and all this stuff that you need for your editing needs. That's the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And take care always. Goodbye.
Bye.
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 Boy.
Bye.